Hello, Tesfaye here from the Tutorial Academy. This is the 11th lesson in Afan Oromo language for communication purposes. In this video and in some next videos, we will see the words that we use to ask questions in different contexts, the WH questions in Afan Oromo. So we will see some of them one by one, and in this video we will see what, mal. So how can we ask a question using mal? Now we will see some questions in here, and also next we'll see the next one in this video. So what questions? Mal barbada, what are you looking for? Mal barbada, mal barbada, mal barbada. What happened to you? Mal taate, mal taate, mal taate. What did you say? Mal jette. What are you saying? Mal jetta, mal jette, mal jetta. What did you say? Mal jette. What are you doing? Mal goota, mal gocha jirta is also possible. Mal goota, mal gocha jirta, mal goota. What are you eating? Mal nyata. Sorry, I forgot L here. I missed L. Over there, mal nyata. Mal nyata. Mal nyata. Malikun. What is this? Malikun. Malikun. What can you do? Malfidda. What can you bring? What can you come up with? Malfidda. 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 So, I like me to answer this question. Maljette means, what did you say? What did you do? What are you? That should have been what are you? No answer. Okay, which one is that? So we'll see the next one is where. Where? Essa. That's the location. Essa. Where are you? Essa jirta. Essa jirta. Should have been essa jirta. There is no need. There is no need for extra a. Essa jirta. Essa jirta. Where are you going? Essa deemta. Essa deemta. Essa deemta. Where is your country? Biyyi kee eessa. Now essa from the first happening goes to the last. But we can also say eessa biyyi kee. Eessa biyyi kee. Biyyi kee eessa. Biyyi kee eessa. Eessa biyyi kee. This structure doesn't apply for example, for this. Jirta eessa. We can't say like that. Eessa jirta is the only way. Deemta eessa, we can't say like that as well. Eessa deemta is the only correct way. Biyyi kee eessa. We can also say eessa biyyi kee. Both way possible here. Where did you come from? Eessaa dhuftee. Eessaa dhuftee. We can't say dhufte eessaa. No. This only this way we can say eessaa dhuftee. Eessaa dhuftee. Where did you put? Eessa keessee. Eessa keessee. We can't say Keessa, essa. No, we can't reverse this. Essa, keesse. Essa, keesse. So the possibility why we reverse here is because of the object here. Sorry, the subject. So let's say if I have a book here, kitaba essa keesse, I can reverse this. Essa keessa kitaba. So the object we are talking or the subject we are talking it help us to reverse. Okay. But when we don't have that subject we're talking about, we can't reverse it like that. Where did you see? Eessatti argite. Eessatti argite. Let's say he saw somebody called John. Johnin eessatti argite. Or eessatti argite Johnin. We can reverse that now again. That's why we can't we do in others. Nowhere to escape. Eessattuu hin baatu. Eessattuu hin baatu. Eessattuu hin baatu. Okay, the question for where. Eessaa dhufte, eessa deemta. Eessaa dhufte, eessa deemta. What does this means in English? Where are you coming from? Where are you going? Where is your country? Where are you coming? None of them. Write the correct letter of your choice into the comment area and I will correct you. Thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, I encourage you to ask and I will reply to your questions. And thank you for being with me and see you in the next chain of videos. Bye for now.